I had an idea for my own import business, and I didn't know where to start. I didn't know how to decide on products, which supplier to use, or how to import. It was difficult to know who to trust, and I realised the cost of mistakes when importing are very high. So I signed up with My Import Label, and I quickly learned how to import and launch my own label products. Now I log in and learn from online learning videos that show me what to do and how to do it. Live coaching webinars give me invaluable tips from people that have done it all before. Plus, I learn how to build my own online store, ready to launch online. I learn something new every day. How to choose profitable and low-risk products, how to import those products to my doorstep, and how to launch those products to market. I have learnt things I didn't even realise I needed to know, and now I feel completely confident negotiating with overseas suppliers and importing new products. The really cool thing? My Import Label saves me time and effort. In 6 weeks, I finished the program all from my desktop and was ready to start sampling. It's delivered by an experienced and qualified team that have helped launch lots of new products to market. So I know that what I'm learning is exactly what I need, without the jargon. With My Import Label, your product ideas can become reality too.